how to get stars on Among Us. So if you want to get stars on Among Us, then the first thing you want to do is open up your Among Us application and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you logged in, this will be your home page. On the left-hand side menu of your screen, it will have some options like play, inventory, shop, news, my account, and settings, right? So if you want to get stars on Among Us, then what you need to do is just simply tap on the shop icon. After that, you'll land on this kind of interface. You can also use beans to buy different featured items on Among Us. You could change your costume and get many more things, but if you want to get these kind of bundles, then you'll have to purchase some stars first and then spend them on these bundles. So you need to click on the plus option, which will be in the top right corner of your screen, and you'll be able to see all of these different options right here. So if you want to get a bundle of 20 stars, you can click on the 20 stars, and if it's saying purchasing item, then you can just simply go and connect your card and then simply purchase the item. That's how you can get stars on Among Us, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.